You've heard about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Maybe you're wondering, how do I get started? You could buy Bitcoin and hope the value goes up. Or you can do what other smart people have done, mine Bitcoin and pocket the results. But to do that, you need a bank of powerful servers, specialized software, lots of cheap energy to run it, and access to a mining pool. It's a lot to figure out. Learning the ins and outs of Bitcoin and how to set up a mining operation takes time, energy, and money. It's not the kind of thing most people can do on their own anymore. That's why we created BitClub Network, to make cryptocurrency mining easy for everyone. Our blockchain experts have created an unprecedented opportunity that allows everyone, including you and me, to start mining Bitcoin without having to buy servers, or software, or a power supply. BitClub Network takes care of all of that for you. Here's how it works. When you join BitClub Network, we purchase the equipment and software for you, and pay the overhead needed to mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Founded in 2014, we maintain one of the top 10 largest mining operations in the world, with servers on 5 continents, in places like Iceland, where power is inexpensive, clean, and renewable. We run our own public mining pool, consistently one of the 10 largest in the world, with more than 500 petahash deployed, and we're continuously adding more power. So it's no wonder that over the past few years, BitClub Network has mined more than 70,000 Bitcoin. Our size means we've achieved economies of scale that allow us to reduce costly overhead and pass on the efficiencies to our members. We've built key relationships with hardware providers to ensure our ability to add mining capacity and accommodate the growing interest of miners around the world. At the end of each day, we divide up the proceeds and distribute them to each person in our network. You decide what percentage will be paid out and how much will purchase additional shares in the mining pools. Members of BitClub Network choose between 3 different mining pools that earn Bitcoin at different rates. Buy a share in any of the pools, or join the founder pool and get a share in all 3. You are in control. What's more, when you introduce a new member to BitClub and they join one or more of the pools that you're a member of, you'll earn even more. The more people you share BitClub with, the greater your earning potential. With BitClub Network, it's easy to start mining Bitcoin, and that means you can spend your time and your growing Bitcoin proceeds on the things that matter most, while we do the mining work. Imagine you're working at your desk, or grocery shopping for the week, enjoying a family vacation, or spending time with the one you love for a night out. Your BitClub mining pool is hard at work in the background, mining new Bitcoin 24 hours a day. Our support keeps going too. Our member support team is available 24/7 to help you get started and to answer any questions you have about your membership in BitClub Network. It's never been easier to reap the rewards of cryptocurrency mining. To learn more, contact the person who invited you to view this video and get started today.